View the properties of each object. Define the characteristics of the objects. Customize the object's properties in the IFC export format. Define the geometry and level of belonging. Move the object in the plane or in height. Define the materials of the object. The appearance in construction drawing. And in the model. Detail the IFC class properties of the object. Attach technical data sheets.